Hey everyone, my name is Rohan and I'm here with my team, Tejas and Sachin. So I've been an audio engineer and a music producer for like over 10 years now. And the main thing that I've noticed that hinders my creativity is sample discovery. So I'm sure a lot of the producers over here can relate to that. You're just searching for the perfect sample for 20 to 30 minutes, and you're switching between your DAW and your browser trying to get new sounds, and that just never, keeps you in that creative state. So we decided to build Chop. Chop is like a one-stop shop for all of your samples, and the added functionality of having AI generation and also indexing your samples based on semantic search. So you can always look up your samples, not by their name, but you can look up based on mood. So that was something that we decided to have. And also we used Stable Audio 3 for the sample generation. So we can do loops and one-shots as well. And yeah, this is just what I spoke about, the problem and the solution that we're offering. We made like a 2-minute demo, so I'll just play it for you guys.
To get started, link your local sample. To get started, link your local sample folder in one click. Chop scans and indexes your files in the background using our local CLAP model to extract high-dimensional audio embeddings completely offline. Once indexed, you are ready for semantic search. Simply type natural descriptions to find the exact sound you need. Chop maps your query against your local embeddings, matching sounds by vibe, mood, and instrument. If you don't find the perfect sound in your local library, you can build it from scratch. Chop integrates Stable Audio 3.0's state-of-the-art text-to-music engine directly into the side panel. Type any prompt, click Generate from Text, and watch as a completely new 24-bit audio file is synthesized and imported automatically into your session. When you find a sound that clicks, simply favorite it. The Favorites tab acts as your personal soundboard, keeping your go-to local matches and generated variations one click away for instant recall in any project. But what if a sample is close but not perfect? Chop integrates Stable Audio 3.0. Drag any local sample into the drop zone, write your prompt, and trigger a custom audio-to-audio variation using Stable Audio's advanced latent diffusion model. The new variation is rendered, scanned, and added to your catalog automatically. Audition it, then drag it directly into your DAW timeline. No export menus, no directories, no friction.
Yep, so Chop is available as a VST plugin and also works standalone. But yeah, we have no plans for release or anything yet. There's much more we can do with it, I feel like, especially to make it more capable as a sampler. But yeah, thank you.
That's time. So